Hello guys, welcome to my first video. Today we are going to make fudgy mug cakes. The ingredients are 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of butter cut evenly into 4 pieces, 3 tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 eggs. Oh, and these eggs are fresh from our chickens. They are free range. And also that reminds me, if you Luxy Daisy is a really good channel. He did an interview with our chickens and he does a lot of cool stuff, and why don't you check out his channel? And if you want to learn about the Rubik's Cube, why don't you check out Avery Solves? Now let's move on. And then there is 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. First, get a small bowl and mix your flour and baking powder. Next, get a microwave-safe bowl. I'll just take this one, and then we're going to mix our chocolate chips and butter. Oh, and also, if you don't buy butter in sticks, you can just do 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, you are supposed to heat and microwave at half power for 1 minute. Stop microwave and then stir mixture. Okay, now you heat microwave at half power again until melted. Then take the bowl out. Okay, now once you heat the microwave, then you add the eggs, the sugar, the cocoa powder, and the vanilla. And then salt, to the chocolate mixture. And then mix until smooth. This might take a while. add the flour mixture and then mix until smooth. And then you'll pour batter into the mug, but you will probably have room for another mug, but I only have one of these. And you should fill the mug until it's about halfway full. The bowl's pretty big for the mug, so there's going to be some extra. So I'm going to have some stuff on the outside. And also, you can find this mug at my swag shop, but it also doesn't only come in red. I'm just showing it as red. Yeah. Next, put the mug in the center of the microwave. Cook at half power and then mix with a spoon. Well, anything that can mix, actually. Yeah, that's very fudgy. Yeah, this is going to turn out. Next, cook in the microwave at half power for 1 minute. If the batter is very wet on top, then cook in microwave for 15 to 30 seconds. If not, then you're done. Oh, and if your batter still isn't cooking, try cooking for 2 to 3 minutes total. You may also try using a darker mug. Thanks for watching. If you want a video of your choice, please leave it in the comments below. And please smash that like button. And if you and also try subscribing so you can see more Max's Cafe videos. That's all for me.